Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix League of Legends is not launching or not opening on your PC. The first solution is make a right click on your taskbar and you will see the task manager, so open it. Guys, if the right client and the League of Legends any task running here, just close it. So just make a right click on the League of Legends. If you say here, then just click on the end task and also make a right click on the right client, then click on the end task, then restart your League of Legends, then check problem is 6 or not. Still not launching, then just go to your Windows search and just type here the League of Legends. So just make a right click on your game, then just click on the open file location. Guys, make a right click on your League of Legends again, then click on the open file location again. Guys, make a right click on the League of Legends launcher, then go to its properties, then go to the compatibility tab and here just uncheck this box and also uncheck this box and just check this box of administrator, then just click on the apply option. Now launch the League of Legends, then check if it's launching or not. If not, then just check the box of compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8. Now click on the option of apply, then just click on the OK. Now launch it, then check problem is 6 or not. Still not launching, then just uncheck this box. Then click on the apply, then click on the OK, then just close it. Now the next solution is go to your Windows search and just type here the services, and services appear on the top, so just open it. Guys, here just click on the any service, then just press the V. And guys, keep pressing V until you go to the VGC service. Once you find the VGC service, so make a right click on it and click on the properties. And here you will see the startup type. So make sure it is selected to the automatic. Just select it to the automatic, then just click on the option of apply. Then just click on the option of start. If it already start, then just click on the option of start. And once it has started, then just click on the option of apply, then just click on the OK. Now restart your PC, then launch the League of Legends, then check problem is 6 or not. Now if it's still not launching, then just uninstall the League of Legends from your PC, then launch it, then check. Now it's still not launching, then go to your Windows search, type here the updates and just open it. Guys, simply update your Windows and also make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. So you can update your graphic card drivers. Now this is how you can fix the League of Legends not launching. And if this method worked for you, so please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.